What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can sell your Ticketmaster tickets on SEATGEEK. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you keep alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial, because you never know when you're gonna need a little bit of help. So guys, how to sell your Ticketmaster tickets on SEATGEEK. So there are two options. First of all, basically an easy way, click sell and just select whatever you want to sell. And also there is an option when you go on your icon over here, when you hover over it, basically you select your tickets over here, as you can see. And here it will load up your tickets. Unfortunately, I do not own any currently, but you just select your ticket, tap the tickets in the navigator bar at the bottom, select the ticket group you'd like to sell, and basically guys, you can tap sell on the ticket group and set the number of tickets that you want to sell and how they are split. You can set your prices and tap list tickets. Some events may require that tickets have a minimum price when they are listed for sale. Don't worry if that's the case for your event and you're trying to set the price for the tickets too low. You will receive a message letting you know the minimum listing amount. Also, you can edit or delist your listings by tapping edit or delist at any time before the event begins. So a quick note is that the SEATGEEK marketplace only accepts PDF tickets and screenshots of mobile tickets at this time. For more information, you should basically contact SEATGEEK. So it's not the case as it is on StubHub, where you can just mobile transfer tickets. You need to own a screenshot of the ticket or the PDF ticket itself. So guys, hopefully this was helpful to you. As always, thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Goodbye.